Hey guys, it's Erin van Handel from ZMock Sewing Blog, and I am back again to talk about more leggings. Today I am doing something a little bit different to spice up a pair of black leggings. What you're looking at is a 3-thread flat lock stitch done on my Baby Lock serger, and what I am going to do is I'm going to cut apart a bunch of this black ponte and sew it back together with this stitch, and it's going to give a really cool texture to an otherwise basic pair of black leggings. So let's do this. Here's one piece of reconstructed fabric. And you can see how one of the leg pieces is going to fit. Here you get a sense what the joining seams look like. It is that flat lock. And I am seeing here in this picture a lot of cat hair, because my cats are jerks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that look into how I sewed patchwork leggings. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. I do think that ladder stitching looks very athletic. It reminds me of some of my workout leggings, which, because they're black, I'm not exactly sure how I feel about that, because generally I don't like wearing athletic leggings in non-athletic situations, but that's just me. I've been wearing these leggings all day, still very comfortable. I would say minimal yanking. I think when you make leggings out of this thicker ponte, while it's very soft, the thickness also adds bulk, and I find myself like pulling and adjusting like here and there to try to smooth out wrinkles and to get things back in place. But overall, I think it's a lot better than any ready-to-wear leggings I've bought. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my Instagram, please check out the blog, and I will see you later. Bye.